How to check the motor centrifugal switch contacts 1 and 2. Disconnect your electric or gas dryer from the wall outlet before proceeding. You should already know how to take the dryer apart up to this point. Disconnect the wire harness from the motor. Disconnect the blue wire from the motor overload protector switch. Disconnect the yellow wire from the belt switch and connect it to the terminal on the motor overload protector switch like this. This way we are bypassing the belt switch so we don't have to use it to run the motor. Sharpen the tip of a piece of coat hanger wire like this. Drill 2 holes on the plastic above each one of the red wires on the motor wire harness like this. This way you could stick your multi-tested test probes to check terminals 1M and 2M. Connect your alligator clip from your test cord to terminal 4M, which is blue, and 5M, which is white, like this. Connect the wire harness to the motor. Connect your multimeter test probes through the 2 holes on the wire harness to check the 2 red wires like this. Set your multimeter on the lower setting to read ohms. Without touching any part of the dryer, plug in the test cord. With the motor running, the reading should be 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, or OL, meaning open line, the motor switch is bad and you will need to replace the motor. That was the way to check the motor switch contacts 1M and 2M.